You are still in the same place you were a year ago. Same job, same excuses, same I will start Monday. And deep down, you know it. Here is what nobody tells you about goals. It is not that you lack ambition. You have dreams, big ones. You think about them at 2 in the morning when you cannot sleep. The problem is that you have been lying to yourself. You call it a goal, but it is just a wish, a feeling, a daydream you have never attached any real action to. I want to start a business. Cool. What did you do yesterday? Nothing. The day before, nothing. And the scary part is, you have gotten comfortable with nothing. You have mastered the art of busy doing nothing. Scrolling, watching, comparing, waiting for the right time. There is no right time. There's only now. And what you do with it. I need you to hear this. A goal without a system is just a fantasy. You do not rise to your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Stop asking what I want. Start asking, what am I willing to do every single day? Even when I do not feel like it. That is a shift. That is everything. Goals are not about motivation. Motivation is a liar. It shows up when you are hyped and disappears when you need it most. Goals are about discipline, about building a machine day by day that produces results, whether you feel like it or not. Step 1, get brutally clear. Not I want to be rich. That means nothing. Write this down. Exactly what you want, by exactly when, and why it matters so much that you would bleed for it. Vague goals produce vague results. Specific goals produce specific outcomes. Step 2, destroy the mountain. Your goal feels overwhelming because you are staring at the whole thing. Stop it. Break it into 90-day targets. Break those into weekly milestones. Break those into daily non-negotiables. What is the one thing you can do today that moves you 1 inch closer? Do that every single day. Step 3, build the daily discipline. Discipline is not a feeling. It is a decision. You decide at 5 in the morning when the alarm goes off and your brain says 5 more minutes that you are not the person who quits. Set a routine so tight that your day runs on autopilot. Remove the need to decide. Just execute. Step 4, track ruthlessly. What gets measured gets managed. Keep a journal, a simple notepad. Write down what you did today toward your goal. If the page is blank, that is your answer. Track it so you can see your progress. And equally important, see where you are lying to yourself. Step 5, fail forward. You will fail. I am not being pessimistic. I am being honest. You will miss days. You will make mistakes. The difference between people who make it and people who do not is not talent. It is who gets back up faster. Every failure is data. Learn from it. Adjust. Keep moving. Meet Marcus, 24 years old, $11 in his bank account, no degree, living on his cousin's couch in Detroit. For 2 years, he wanted to start a clothing brand. He had ideas, hundreds of them, but every time he sat down to start, the fear would hit. What if it fails? What if people laugh? One night, he wrote one sentence on a piece of paper. Ship one design by the end of the month. Not a business plan, not a logo, not a website. One design. He posted it online. 3 people bought it. 3. But those 3 people told him something the fear never could, that it was possible. He broke it down. 1 design a month, then 1 a week. He tracked every order, reinvested every dollar. 2 years later, a 6-figure brand, built from nothing but one small, scary step. taken on a Tuesday night when nobody was watching. Marcus did not find motivation. He built a system, and the system built him. Listen to me very carefully. You do not have unlimited time. You think you do, but you do not. Every day that you wait, someone else is out there doing the thing you only dream about. Every hour you spend consuming instead of creating is an hour you are never getting back. The world does not owe you a shortcut. Nobody is coming to save you. No mentor is going to knock on your door. No perfect moment is scheduled in your calendar. The urgency is now. The responsibility is yours. You are one decision away from a completely different life. Not one lucky break. One decision made today to stop being a spectator of your own potential. The version of you that you dream about is waiting, and it is getting tired of waiting. So here's what you're going to do right now. Not tomorrow. Now, grab a piece of paper. Write down one goal. One. The one that keeps you up at night. The one you've been too scared to say out loud. Then write the first small step you can take this week to move toward it. Not the whole plan, just a first step. And then take it. Because the difference between the life you have and the life you want is the courage to begin. Start today. Start small. Start now. The clock is running.